So guys, related to Realtek audio issues, so check the install driver version. Okay, so right click to Windows icon, means start icon, go to device manager, extract sound video game controller, and then right click to update search automatically, and then close it. If it is not update, and if you showing some error, so right click to properties, and then click to driver, and then click rollback driver. If the device failed after updating the driver, roll back previously install the driver. Okay, and then click it. Next guys, download latest driver of Realtek. Okay, so you can enter your motherboard, your system name, okay, and then type audio driver, so you can install easily. Okay, otherwise you have to suppose install latest version. So again go to device manager, and then old driver you have to uninstall. Right click to property, then device, and then click to uninstall. Okay, uninstall, and then guys again click this one, scan and hardware changes. Okay, and then again it is show, so right click to update driver, and then close it. So guys, HP EliteBook 850 driver download. If you have a generations like G5, G1, G6, so simple, you enter after 850 G7, and which is you generations using. So go to this officially website support.hp.com, right click to new tab. You can see here select operating system. So no worry if I am showing Windows 11, but Windows 10 installation also same. Then scroll down, BIOS, system BIOS, click to download. It is start here. After completed, just single click to setup, then click to yes, next, I accept, next, then restart your system. Thank you. Scroll down, you can see here the extract audio driver. This is audio driver. Just click to download. After that, it is downloading here. Okay, you can see here. So guys, after that, just single click to setup. Then guys, click to yes, SD audio driver. You can see here the next, I accept, next, then guys finish, then restart your system.